Next station, Mongkok. Interchange station for the Tsuen line towards Tsuen. Doors will open on the left.
请小心月台的空隙。
Please mind the gap.
由於黃大仙站路段受水浸影響，觀塘線來往石硤尾至彩虹嘅列車服務暫停。觀塘線嘅列車服務維持來往黃埔至石硤尾及來往彩虹至調景嶺，候車時間都可能會長啲。受影響嘅乘客請使用港鐵其他線路或其他交通工具。你可以喺 MTR Mobile 內嘅 Traffic News 尋找替代路線。前往九龍塘站的乘客可考慮使用東鐵線，前往鑽石山站的乘客可考慮使用屯馬線。港鐵現正提供免費接駁巴士來往石硤尾和彩虹，所有中途站只供乘客落車，令你嘅旅程受到延誤，請你見諒。This is service update. Train service on the Kwun Tong line between Shek Kip Mei and Choi Hum is suspended because of flooding in section near Wong Tai Sin Station. Train service on the Kwun Tong line is running between Whampoa and Shek Kip Mei and between Choi Hum and Tu Keng Lane. This may result in a longer waiting time for trains to arrive. Please consider using alternative MTR lines or other transport. You can search for other routes in the MTR mobile traffic news. Passengers for Kowloon Tong Station are advised to take the East Rail Line. Passengers for Diamond Hill Station are advised to take Tuen Mun Line. A free MTR shuttle bus service is now operating between Shek Kip Mei and Choi Hum. All intermediate stations are for drop-off only. Thank you for your patience and understanding.